Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on YouTube. It's very easy from your laptop or PC. So this is the process to which you can do it. First of all, open a browser and you have to go to youtube.com from the search option. And the process is same for all of the browser. You can use Google Chrome, you can use Microsoft Edge or any kind of browser as well. And if you have Mac or Windows, this the process is same for all of them. So as you can see, this is the dark theme YouTube, and if you don't like this dark theme YouTube, because it's after I update the dark theme has came, but when we used to use YouTube a few years ago, it was a light theme. The appearance was in light theme. So this is the turning as it is turned on. I need to turn off and again turn it on for you guys to show. Okay, so click on the this picture. As it is my profile, it's showing my picture. In case of your profile, it will show your picture as well. Click on here and you will see appearance device theme. So if I click on light theme, it will make the YouTube in light theme. That was previously that we used to use the YouTube like 4 or 5 years ago. But if I want to enable dark mode, I will go to again appearance and I will go to dark theme, or most of the device now enable automatically have the option to enable dark theme on your YouTube. And from here you can go to here and just click on device use device theme. It's basically the same. The dark theme and use device theme is basically the same, because now most of the device, both in phone and both in laptop, if you use device theme, the YouTube will automatically go into the dark theme as well. So this is the very simple process through which you can easily turn on dark theme or dark mode on YouTube app from your laptop. And if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Please like the video as well. And if you find any issue regarding this video, please let us know in the comment section. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.